Hello, my dear children. In the previous class, we started our new chapter Nonviolence, Wisdom, Power. Today, we are going to start a new topic that is society, economy, and art. Let's examine the socio-economic life during the Maurya period. In the last class, we discussing about Maurya dynasty or Maurya period. Let's examine the socio-economic life during that period. Social stratification based on Chadurvarnya doctrine prevailed. What is meant by Chadurvarnya? It is a classification existed in that period. The four major classifications are Brahmins, Kshatriyas, Vaishyas, and Shudras. Shudras were confined to agriculture work. Buddhism and Jainism became more popular. Agriculture and trade flourished. The rulers provided better irrigation facilities for the progress of agriculture. Handicraft like sewing and weaving existed. Coins were in use for transactions. Several roads were constructed for the progress of trade. In your textbook, we can see a picture. That picture is Stupa built by Emperor Ashoka at Sanji. Several such stupas were built during the reign of Mauryas. Besides these, the Maurya kings built many palaces and several pillars like the one at Saranath. All these monuments point to progress in the fields of architecture and sculpture during that period. After the decline of the Mauryan Empire, the 4th century AD marked the growth of a new dynasty in the Gangetic Plain. What was that? That was the Gupta Dynasty. Chandragupta I, Samudragupta, and Chandragupta II were the important rulers of the Gupta Empire. By the end of the Gupta period, there was a remarkable decline in trade with the distant lands. More people engaged in agriculture. The kings used to offer large shares of land as gift to priests and places of worship. The farmers were made to engage in agriculture in these lands by the priests. There was an increase in social inequality during this period. The popularity of Buddhism and Jainism weakened. During the period of Gupta period, we can see blooming of wisdom, which means many works were written in Sanskrit during the Gupta period. Kalidasa was the important literary figure of the period. Abhijnana Shakuntalam, Megha Sandesham, and Kumara Sambhavam are his great works. In your textbook, we can see an iron pillar. This pillar, constructed during the period of Chandragupta II, is presently situated at Mehrauli in Delhi. This iron pillar is the epitome of the smelting process of iron in the Gupta period. Varahamihira, Brahmagupta, Bhaskaracharya, and Aryabhatta gave valuable contributions to the field of science in the Gupta period. Varahamihira and Brahmaputra made remarkable contributions to astronomy, Bhaskaracharya to mathematics, and Aryabhatta to both astronomy and mathematics. This picture shows the remnants of the Nalanda University, a famous educational center in ancient India. It was established during the Gupta period. Students from different parts of Asia came here in pursuit of knowledge. Thousands of students and hundreds of teachers were engaged in educational activities in the university. In this chapter, we have discussed about changes that took place in the society right from the beginning of Magadha period till the end of Gupta period. Let's find out important ones among them. First point, extensive farming led to increased agriculture production. Agriculture and related occupations created new knowledge. The ideologies that came up against social inequalities influenced society and the rulers. The rulers promoted the changes in the field of science, art, and literature.